This video covers dot plots, histograms, and box plots in Desmos. I have a set of 30 random numbers that are between 10 and 20. You'll have numbers from your homework or from assignments to start you off. I'm going to take this list of numbers and I'm going to copy them. So I'm highlighting the numbers and I'm going to hit Control-C to put them in my clipboard. In Desmos, I'll hit Control-V to bring the numbers in. I'm going to use the arrow to go back to the very beginning of the set, and then I'm going to name the set. So this is A equals. So the list is a 30 element list. I'm going to do a dot plot first. So I type the word dot plot. I put parentheses around the A, and it will bring the data in. You can barely see it on the right side of my screen. So we're going to hit the zoom, which is the magnifying glass, and that will fit it to the screen. If you don't like the fit of the screen, you can then move it over a little more if you want to see the data. This organized our 30 element list. I can see how many elements were 10. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. I had 2 11s. I had 2 12s. I had 1 13. We could keep counting, but now we have an organized view of our numbers. We could also add a histogram. The histogram is a bar chart, and you can see that it matches the dot plot. You could turn the dot plot off if you don't want to see them at the same time. It's currently giving you a frequency distribution, so it's telling you the count, so I can look how many elements I had. So again, I can see I had 5 10s, I had 2 11s, I had 2 12s, I had 1 13. If you want to change it to a relative frequency distribution, which means you get a percent, then you just click on the relative. You'll have to zoom fit that again for it to match. And again, if you want to zoom in a little more or move things around, you can always do that. I want to go back to the count, and I will zoom back to where it was before, maybe move it over a little. And I'm going to also add a box plot. I've added the box plot, and you can see it's on top of the frequency distribution right now. I'm going to move it up, so in the offset, it means I can move it around. So I'm going to move it up 6. So 5 was the highest frequency I had, so I move it just above that. You can also change the alignment of the bins. So in the histogram, it's currently centered. You can always switch it to left if you like that better. You can also change colors by going to the settings and then click on the one you would like to change the color. You could change that to blue. We could add the dot plots back in. You can see they're green, but maybe we say, oh, we want to make those red. So lots of easy choices to look around, manipulate our data.